Hey guys, Calvin Russell here, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit. Today we're going to talk to you guys about what is a good credit score. All right. So a good credit score is technically defined, of the range between 680, that's the low point, and the high point 739. Now, again, obviously, anything above that, will still be good. But this is as far as what FICO deems to be a good credit score. Okay. This means that you have more good activity than negative activity. You rarely, if ever, have had a late payment before. Your utilization's pretty good. You've had accounts open for a decent amount of time. You're just following the rules. And 75 to 85% of what you do is what the algorithm is looking for. On-time payments, low utilization, a decent credit mix. You could just be getting started with credit and still be in this range. It's pretty easy to get into the good. The difficult part is staying in the good as life just kind of just happens, right? There will be times where you're going to have your credit card. You may max that out because of something that happens, or, it may slowly kind of grow, then you get times like we're in right now, where there's talks of recession and things of that sort. So, and then you got to kind of lean on that, because I think the difficult thing is for a lot of people is lifestyle change. Whether would used to order something on the dollar menu, now you're used to getting the meal, right? Or reverting that, right? Or reversing back to, man, I was able to get the meal, now I got to be on the dollar menu. I was able to go to the steak restaurant, now I got to go to the non-steak restaurant. I ain't gonna say no names, so, but that's the thing, is that when you're in that good credit range, a lot of options are there. You're getting offers in the mail. The offers are getting better. You're starting to see higher credit limits. You're building these relationships really solid with the banks. You can choose between FHA and conventional. FHA and or conventional, versus in some credit score ranges, you can only go FHA. And there's nothing wrong with FHA / conventional. I mean, or other than conventional per se. It's more so based on the options that you have based on your financial position as well as your debt to income. That plays a major role. For example, you can only have one FHA per social. Any other properties outside of that has to be conventional. So that's essentially how that process goes. It's a luxury to have to be able to purchase multiple properties. So a lot of that plays a major role, in your success. Just keep doing what you're doing. Obviously, I know the goal is to get past 739. And how do you do that? Just by doing what you're currently doing right now, but just at a longer period of time. The biggest thing for that score range is going to be average age of credit accounts. And that's essentially how long can you keep accounts open? How long can you keep doing what you're doing? And when you get to 5 to 7 open accounts that have an average age of 8 to 11 years, you're going to be well on your way to the 850s to the 800s and beyond. Of course, if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe, as we got nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.